Welcome to Module 8. In this lesson, we'll explore the essential tools and framework used in AI development. As AI technologies continues to evolve, having a solid understanding of the key tools and framework is crucial for creating robust and efficient and scalable AI systems. Here, what we are going to cover. We are going to start about the programming languages of AI applications. Second, we'll talk about the frameworks and libraries. Third, we're going to discuss about the cloud platforms and the AI as a service. Fourth, we are going to cover the version control and collaboration tools. Fifth, we are going to talk about the data annotation tools. Sixth, we are going to cover the AI model deployment and monitoring. Seventh, the automation tools. Lastly, the AI model evaluation and testing. To start with the programming languages of AI, the choice of programming languages is fundamental in AI development as it dictates the ease of implementation and the scalability and the tools available for building AI solution. Python, with its simplicity and rich ecosystem of libraries, has become the go-to language for most of the AI project. Meanwhile, R language and Java and C++ offer a specialized strength for specific application, such as statistical analysis and enterprise level systems and high performance computing. Python. Why Python it's popular? Python is the most popular programming language in AI because of its simplicity, readability, and extensive ecosystem of libraries and framework, which means it's easier to debug, write, and text test the code quickly. What are the key libraries in Python? Python offers libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch, Keras and Pandas and NumPy and Scikit-learn, which make it a go-to language for AI and data science. What are the use cases of Python? Python is used for machine learning and deep learning and natural language processing, NLP, and data manipulation tasks. Next, we will talk about R language. Why is it used? R is commonly used in academia and industries focused on data analysis and statistics and machine learning as well. It has an excellent ecosystem for data visualization and statistical modeling. A key libraries of R language, which is the random forest and XGBoost, are the popular for machine learning, while ggplot2 and plotly are great for data visualization. The use cases of R is often used for statistical analysis and for projects where the interpretability of the model is crucial and important. Next, we have Java. Why is it useful? Java performance and scalability make it solid choice for enterprise level AI application. It's used when you need a high performance and well-established programming environment. The key libraries of Java, one of them is Weka and Moa and Deep Learning 4J. These are the popular in Java ecosystem. The use cases of Java, it's used for large scale applications such as AI in banking system and recommendation engine and real-time analytics. Next, we have C++. Why is it useful? C++ is known for its high performance, which is an essential for application requiring low latency and heavy computation. It's frequently used in game development and computer vision tasks, where performance is very critical. A key libraries in C++, if you heard of OpenCV for computer vision tasks, and TensorFlow, which is C++ version. The use cases of C++ about AI-powered gaming, autonomous vehicles, and robotics, and real-time object detection. Let's now talk about the second topic that we are going to cover, which is the AI frameworks and libraries. AI frameworks and libraries are tools that enable developers to build and train models efficiently. Leading frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch offer an extensive support for deep learning, while Keras provide an innovative interface for rapid prototyping. Scikit-learn serves as a robust option for classical machine learning tasks, and OpenCV is indispensable for computer vision tasks, enabling a real-time image and video processing. First, let's cover the TensorFlow. TensorFlow is developed by Google. It's an open source library used for machine learning and deep learning application. It's well known for its support a variety number of tasks like regression and classification and a neural network. The key feature of TensorFlow, let's start with the deep learning abilities. It allows building neural networks with tools like Keras and Estimator. Second, TensorFlow.js, which is the JavaScript. TensorFlow also supports running models in browsers. Let's talk now about the scalability of TensorFlow. It can be used in both research and in production at scale. The use cases of TensorFlow, such as image and speech recognition, recommendation systems, and AI for mobile apps. Next, we have PyTorch. PyTorch is developed by Facebook, which has gained a significant popularity due its dynamic computation graph, which makes it more flexible and innovative for researchers. The key feature of PyTorch, its dynamic graphs, like unlike TensorFlow, uh, Pyta- PyTorch allows for dynamic computation graphs, making debugging and prototyping more easier. Torch serve, which helps to deploy model at scale. Its extensive community support, which has a strong support from researchers, making it great for innovation and cutting edge AI. The use cases of PyTorch, it's used in natural language processing, NLP tasks, and computer vision and reinforcement learning. Next, let's talk about Keras. Keras is a high-level neural network API that runs on top of TensorFlow. It simplifies building and training deep learning models. The key feature of Keras, it's user-friendly, which is easy to use and integrates with other TensorFlow tools. Providing pre-trained model, Keras also offers many pre-trained model that can be fine-tuned, so you don't have to build the model from scratch. The use cases of Keras, which is the quick prototyping, research, and educational purposes. Next, we have Scikit-learn. Scikit-learn is one of the most commonly used Python libraries for machine learning. It provides simple tools for data mining and data analysis, which is built on top of NumPy and SciPy and Matplotlib. The key feature of Scikit-learn, it's classic algorithms, which implementing algorithms for classification and regression and clustering and dimensionality reduction. The pre-processing ability, which includes tools for data pre-processing and model evaluation. The use cases of scikit-learn, it's used in general machine learning tasks such as classification like SVM, random forest, regression, and clustering. For example, k-means. Next, we have OpenCV. OpenCV it stands for Open Source Computer Vision Library. It's a library primarily used for real-time computer vision tasks. The key feature and applications, it's used in imaging processing, tools for manipulating images and detecting faces and recognizing objects. Its support for video. It works also with both image and video streams. Its ability to integrate with real-time application used in robotics and AI-based application that require a real-time decision-making capabilities. The use cases of OpenCV, it's used in image recognition and facial recognition, optical characteristic recognition, and robotics as well. Now let's talk about cloud platforms and AI as a service. Cloud platforms are transforming the way AI is developed and deployed by providing scalable infrastructure and AI services as a service. With offerings such as Google Cloud AI, AWS AI, and machine learning, and also Microsoft Azure AI, developers can leverage the power of three pre-trained models and automated machine learning tools and easy integration with AI capabilities into the real world application without having to manage the underlying hardware or software infrastructure. The first service, which is Google Cloud AI, Google Cloud offers AI tools and APIs that help developers to integrate machine learning capabilities into their apps without building models from scratch. The key services provided by Google Cloud AI, which is the first, let's talk about the auto ML or auto machine learning, which allows non-expert to train custom models. Next, we have Vision AI. Vision AI is pre-trained models for image classification and object detection. The third key service here, which is the natural language API, used for text analysis and sentiment analysis. The use cases of Google Cloud AI, which is AI powered chatbots and image and video analysis, as well as document processing. Let's talk now about the AWS AI and machine learning services. Amazon Web Services offers a comprehensive suite of AI and machine learning tools that include services for both beginners and advanced users. The key services provided by AWS, which is a SageMaker, which is a fully managed service to build and train and deploy machine learning models. Recognition, which is image and video analysis. Lex. Lex is a service that power chatbots with the voice and text. Use cases of AWS includes retail analytics, fraud detection, and virtual assistant. Let's now talk about Microsoft Azure AI. Azure AI provide a variety of pre-built tools and API for building AI models, including solution for machine learning, speech, and vision. Key services provided by Microsoft Azure. The first one is Azure Machine Learning, which helps to automate model building and deployment. Next, we have the cognitive services, include pre-built API for speech recognition, text analysis, and many more. The use cases of Microsoft Azure includes automated customer service, data analysis capability, and AI-powered health chat.